Alright, so from the home page, to access the Jamboard and use it correctly, we're going to first go to the actual classwork and then go down to where we see the efficacy part. You're already in this, and so we're just going to go really quickly. Upon clicking the actual Jamboard, it's going to look like this. And so some features of it, we have the navigation tools at the top. You can click right to see the slides, and you can go back left. We have the title of it. Here we have some annotation tools as well. So we have the pen, eraser, the pointer selecting tool, sticky notes to post a picture, to add circles and to put some designs, to add an actual text box, or to do some laser kind of activities. For us right now, on purposes of this course, what we're going to be using are the sticky notes and pictures if you'd like, and certainly the text box as well. So you'll see the questions on the board on the slide. And so if you were to click the sticky note, it gives you the option to choose different colors, and then you can stick it and type some information there, and it's going to post on the actual screen. From there, you can click the sticky note that you posted. You can rotate it any direction you like. And if you click the vertical ellipses, it gives you some options to go back and edit it, to duplicate it, delete it, and then other you can send backwards and forward in case it's on top of another picture or another sticky note. Now there may be a lot of people in this course, and so you may have to minimize your sticky note to make it really small. Don't worry because the font just minimizes with it, and so if we can't read it and we're checking your work, we can just maximize it, expand it, enlarge it, read your information, and then collapse it back. When you get ready to add your comment to someone else's Jamboard post, then again you'd go ahead and you click new sticky note, and you could type right on top of theirs and post yours with them, change colors. Or you can add a text box, you can circle theirs, and that's information right in there with it too. However you like it, it's free, it's fun. Play around with it, but again, the main point is to get a sticky note, post on the Jamboard right here somewhere, and then again, you're going to be responding to someone else's comment. So name and current teaching assignment, make sure to put your name, the grade level you're teaching, of course it's pre-K, and the location if you will. Here, there are two questions, and from last year's modeling of the teacher model to this year's for biliteracy, what's the differences in percent or ratios? And so I think last year we had 50-50, whatever Gomez and Gomez model you were using, or what portion of that. The second one is going to be how has this altered your instructional planning in your class? If this is your first year, then respond to two different posts. And so again, you post a sticky note, and if it's your first year, respond to two different people's comments. Post 3 is after viewing the scheduling guidance document, tell me one takeaway from it, and then also reflect on how you would reach your in-person and virtual students, linguistically speaking. We do know and understand that a large portion of learning a language is actually interacting in that language, and so being virtual makes it a bit more difficult, but not impossible. So go ahead and reflect on that. And the fourth question is going to be after visiting the Bilingual ESL Help Center, list one takeaway from that site. This can be something new you learned. It can be a contact or contacts that you learned of, but go ahead and post on this one. For this site right here, if you'd like, you can go ahead, or the slide, you can go ahead and respond to someone else's, or just put your one sticky note and be done with it.